We plan so many things, we think so many things, but always we feel that whatever we are planning, whatever we are doing, somehow we are failed to achieve. Why this happened? Why this time management won't work in our life? All the techniques, whatever we follow, whatever the motivational video we watch, whatever the book we read and all, but coming to the execution, somehow we fail. There is a technique which we have heard also, and it's a very latest is going on, that is called Pomodoro Technique. Somehow we will find this Pomodoro Technique in Japan, where the people, even the carpenter to any worker, they use very strictly this Pomodoro Technique in their life when they do the work and when they are engaged in this task. It means Pomodoro technique is the technique which is specially designed for time management. When you feel that you are unable to complete any task, that time is highly important for you to follow in your life Pomodoro technique. So how this Pomodoro technique work in your life, that understand step by step. In late 1980s, there was a student called Francisco. He used to feel that he always will be lagging in the study, because whenever he used to study and all, that time he will be failed to complete his task. One day when he went in the kitchen, he saw a tomato. That time only a idea of one traditional alarm has come, which was a shape of tomato. It has come in his mind. What he has done, immediately after completion of his shake from the kitchen, he went outside. He kept an alarm for the 10 to 15 minutes, and in this 10 to 15 minutes he did not move anywhere, and he started studying. And that really worked. This technique has really worked for him. Then he understood when he is doing any task, he has to keep the alarm, and till the time when the alarm won't ring, he should not move anywhere. With this technique only, this invention of Pomodoro technique has happened. So what is this and how it happened? You all need to understand first of all what are the item it's needed. First, a traditional alarm you need. Not, I'll suggest don't go with the phone and all, because once your phone is there with you, you cannot follow this technique. Go with the proper alarm. Otherwise, you can keep your phone in airplane mode, then you can go with the alarm. If you have any app and all, keep one notebook and pen. These are the material which you needed for this technique to follow. And list out the thing which you wanted to complete. Supposed to be, you wanted to write an essay, you wanted to complete one project, or you wanted to read a chapter. So what you have to do, you need to divide into some pattern of 25 minutes. So it means when you will start, you will keep an alarm for 25 minutes. And when your time is set, that time other things like phone, any distraction of the social media, you are not supposed to move from your place at least for the 25 minutes. So you should start till the time that alarm is not ringing. It means 25 minutes is not over. That time you should start your task, whatever you have planned. After 25 minutes, when the alarm is ringing, then you can take the break of 5 minutes, you can move around and you can drink water to hydrate yourself. Again, you sit down for the 25 minutes if you feel that your work has not been completed. Like that way, for every 25 minutes, you should take a short break of 5 minutes. But if this 25 minutes extend for the 3 times, like supposed to be 25 minutes of your task, then 5 minutes of break, 25 minutes of task, then 5 minutes of break, then again 25 minutes of task and 5 minutes of break. If it has continued for the 3 times, then the 4th break you should take at least for 15 to 20 minutes, because that time you should just pamper yourself. You can do the task which you love to do, like you can just listen some good music, you can go for a little bit plantation what you love, you can go for the kitchen to cook something for yourself, you can pamper yourself for that 15-20 minutes. But don't go again to watch any social media, don't go to watch anything in the TV and all. Otherwise this Pomodoro technique won't work for you. You are not supposed to be distracted till the time you did not complete your task. Then again you go back and again keep the alarm for the 25 minutes and start. So you should repeat for these tasks till the time you have not completed that task for that day. This is what the Pomodoro technique. When we follow this Pomodoro technique, we are supposed to follow very strictly that 25 minutes of time and followed by 5 minutes of break. If you have completed in 1 2 times only, it means when you are doing for the 25 minutes, that time only if you have completed, it is very good. Then you can move for the other task which you wanted to do for that day. But you are not supposed to take the complete break, and you should not leave the task till the time you have not completed your task for that day. So this is what the Pomodoro technique. But initially when we start, I'll suggest that you can go for the 10 to 15 minutes of alarm, and then you should take the break for the 5 minutes, because suddenly when you are the beginner, you are not supposed to do. And when you feel that you became the master in that, after 3-4 months, whenever you are sitting and you are working, then you can even extend for the 30 to 35 minutes, and you can take the break in between. This is one of the very wonderful technique. Many successful people, they follow in their life and they have found the success. So try to implement this Pomodoro technique in your life, and step by step you can make your complete routine to get the achievement and the success in your life. I hope you will like this video. If you have liked, share and save for the future.